Hello everyone, this is Lily from MINGDA Technology. We are 3D printer manufacturer with professional 9-year experience in 3D printing industry. We have different models for different printing sizes to meet different customers' demand. MINGDA 3D printers are widely used in education, animation, industry, architecture, medical research, and aerospace, etc. As for small printing size, we have MD-16. Here are some basic information. The printing size. Lengthwise height is 160 mm respectively. The machine weight is 13 kg. This 3D printer can print PLA, HIPS, ABS, TPU, Nano, etc. The nozzle diameter is standard 0.4 mm, but 0.4 to 1 mm are available. Now let me show you more details. For the frame, we use filament frame structure design. It's more stable and firm. Colorful touch screen and the interface design make you enjoy the same experience like using your smartphone. It's very easy and to understand and operate. The nozzle is our own exclusive patent design, no blocking and no drawing. MINGDA International brand step motto makes printing more efficient, stable, and accurate. As for the connectivity, MINGDA 3D printer can support a USB and SD card. We use detachable tech chain to fix the wiring harness. It's more beautiful, durable, stable, and reliable. One of the most important advantages is that we choose 10 mm thickness, high stable aluminum platform. It's durable and not easy to be out of shape. Okay, that's all for today. If you want to get more information, please do not forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.